Hello, and welcome to another tutorial on PhilSocial. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to create your own cause and start raising PHL from the community for what matters most to you. Once you're logged into your PhilSocial account, tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and select Create a Cause. Next, fill in the details. Describe your cause, set a fundraising goal, choose an end date for your campaign, and enter the wallet address where donated tokens should be credited. And that's it. Start your cause today and make a difference with PhilSocial. Happy fundraising!